Hello there, it's me, earthmanbrick. Today, we're looking at not one, but two terrain kits. Okay, mainly it's because they're so small and easy to assemble. They're by a company called 4Ground, who make pre-colored terrain kits. And we're looking first of all at the barricade set. You can see how basic it is. Each sheet is made from 2mm MDF. Simple to build, attach the feet, and you're done! You get 2 sprues in the set, enough to build 10 barricades. You also get a whole shaboodle of printed labels you can cut out and PVA glue on. Next up is the waste kit. It's not made from MDF, but rather laser cut card. It comes on ×3 sprues and has a nice set of illustrated instructions. Now, you've probably noticed here that my hands look a bit grubby in the video. Well, that's because they're covered in soot, which is a byproduct of the lasering process, typically leaving scorch marks on the reverse side of the sprue. Now, you're supposed to wipe these off, as the soot naturally repels the paint, a bit like oil and water. It just won't adhere. But since these sprues don't require painting, I left it as it was, because it makes the model look weathered. Now, as you can see, there's no obvious seams. Unlike other MDF kits, these sets are tidy up rather nicely, meaning there's no need to add cable ties to the edges. But don't worry, there'll be plenty of cable ties in the next video. Silence, cat! No, where was I? Silly cat, always distracting me. I'm adding some concrete rubble piles, which I've made previously in the TT Combat skip video. Yes, this isn't the first skip I've made. And then we've added some pallets and wheels, which have also been scratch built. And there's going to be links in the description below. Now I'm adding an I-beam, which has been made from wooden coffee stirrers. I mean, those things are far better for crafting than for stirring drinks. Blech, who wants to put wood in your drink? Last pieces are just cut electrical cables. Here's a tip, make sure you unplug and earth the cables before cutting them up, or else you could end up with a nasty shock. But that's all I've got for this one, so thank you very much for watching. If you're at all feeling generous though, then you can really help out by donating blood to your local vampire clinic today, saving countless undead lives. But that's all you're gonna get from me, so bugger off. Bye. Silence, cat.